Do you want to learn Python but don't know where to start? In just few minutes, you will go from print hello world to write real code. No jargon, no confusion. Just simple, clear Python basics explained to you. Let's unlock the power of Python. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, I'm Arati. Welcome to my channel. I'm starting a series for Python basics, which is one of the predominant language used in AI or data science field. So let's begin with why Python. Python is a free and open source language, which means you can directly go to the internet and download and start using Python. You don't need to pay any license cost to anyone. Python is an open source language, which means its source code is available in public domain. You can view it, modify it, and distribute it if necessary. Python is a beginner-friendly language, having a simple syntax which makes it easy for beginners and new learners. Python is a high-level language. For those who don't have computer background, let me break it down. What do we mean by a high-level language or a low-level language? Programming languages are nothing but the means to pass on the instructions to the computers. When the instructions are closer to the machine understandable instructions, the programming language is called as low-level language. Whereas, when the instructions are closer to the human understandable language, the corresponding language is called as high-level language. Python being a high-level language, it's easier to understand and more readable by humans. Python is a versatile language as it can be used for web development, data science, scripting, automation, desktop applications, web scraping, data processing, etc. Python also has rich support of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Keras, scikit-learn, etc. Python can be executed on major operating systems like Windows, Linux, macOS, which makes it a flexible choice for the development. And that's what we also call it, that Python has a cross-platform compatibility. Now let us understand how to set up Python on your system. For that, first go to the website www.python.org. Go to the download section, all releases. Based on your operating system and processor type, you will need to download the necessary installer. As I have Windows operating system, I am going to choose Windows. Under stable releases, you will need to choose the installer based on your processor type. As I have 64-bit processor, I am going to download the installer accordingly. Once the installer file is downloaded, double-click on the installer file to launch the installation process. Ensure to check the checkbox for add python.exe to path. This selection will set the location of python.exe file in environment variable path. Environment variable path is helpful while executing the commands without specifying the full path of the executable file to run the command. By setting environment variable path for Python executable, we can simply run Python commands by specifying Python, and we don't need to give full path in order to execute the Python command. Now let us click on install now. This will start the installation process. Let's wait till installation gets completed. After Python installation is complete, if we want to verify the Python installation, we can simply type command Python space double hyphen version in the command prompt, and we will get the version as the output. In this case, we are getting 3.13.5. If you don't get any output or you get Python is not a recognized command even after installation, check the environment variable path. In order to check the environment variable, you can directly type environment variable in search box and you will be able to check the environment variable set. So in this case, select path, click on edit, and if you see, we can see here that Python variable are set in path. If it is not available here, we will need to click on new and make a new entry and add the Python installation location here to set it into the path variable. Click on OK. Okay. After verification of Python installation, we can install IDE of our choice to write code and execute. We can use VS Code, PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook. In next video, we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook and basic features and functionalities of Jupyter Notebook. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with a friend who is just starting in Python. Post your feedback and questions in comment section. Keep learning. See you in the next one.